Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, on behalf of Talimul Islam and on behalf of Institute of the Language of the Quran, we welcome you to this new Arabic course. Inshallah, this course will benefit you a lot. It will enable you to understand Quran 85% directly, inshallah. And inshallah, your experience in this class will be most enjoyable and very fruitful. From the outset, I must tell you that I'm not a scholar. I do not have any university degrees. All I have is my experience. I went to various places, various countries, and I met so many teachers who are very kind, and they taught me many things in Arabic which made me understand Quran directly. And inshallah, I'm going to share all these things with you so that you will be able to understand Quran when it is recited. When you pray, you know what you are praying. And when you hear tilawat, inshallah, it will touch your heart because you will understand what's going on. We start with our handbook, brothers and sisters. How many letters of alphabet? Most of us, we were taught that there are 28, but there are 29. Alif is the letter of alphabet, but it is not consonant. It does not have a speech sound. When you say a, it is not alif, but it is hamza. And how do you write hamza? Are you with me? This is hamza, brother. Then what is this alif doing here? It is Hamza's chair. Hamza is very delicate. She needs a chair. Okay? So here is alif is the chair for Hamza. Sometimes waw will become a chair for Hamza. And sometimes ya will become a chair for Hamza. So Hamza has different chairs depending on what is in front of her. And sometimes Hamza feels strong and she doesn't need any chair. So there are many rules, spelling rules for writing Hamza that slowly we will learn. You do not have to worry, brother. And I must tell you something, that if you do not understand everything today, brothers and sisters, don't worry. Because tomorrow when you come to class, inshallah, you will understand better. And third day, your understanding will be very strong. And after 1 week, you will say to yourself, I knew this all from my childhood. Okay? Inshallah, you'll get stronger and stronger. So, brothers and sisters, we have to remember, okay, alif is used for elongation. How many? Okay, now in the handout, the next thing is, in English language, there are 8 parts of speech. We know that, and they have been given here: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech. How many parts of speech in Arabic? 3. Noun, verb, and particles, harf. Okay? So, brothers and sisters, how come there are 8 in English and 3 in Arabic? But the noun in Arabic also includes pronoun, adjective, adverb, and interjection. They are all covered in this category of noun. So we have to remember. So in fact, they are same as in English, but we do not have 8, but instead of 3. Okay? When we say pronoun, there is a word for pronoun in Arabic, which is damir, but it still comes under the category of noun. This is just a general idea, brother. You will, inshallah, as we go along, you will notice that, inshallah. The next thing is, brother, the letters of alphabet. Okay, brother and sister, and as we said, there are 29 letters of alphabet, out of which 28 are consonants, and alif has no speech sound. When you say a, it is the sound of hamza. Now, how many vowel signs, brother, in Arabic language? Only 3. Dhamma, fatha, and kasra. Are you with me, brother? Dhamma, fatha, and kasra. Now remember, these are short vowels. Okay, they are short vowels. So if I say to you, if I write like this, what will you say? Boo, short, boo. If I write like this, what will you say? Ba, short vowel. And if I say this, then it is bi, short. Now, in order to do elongation, I put here alif. Now, you see, the job of alif is to elongate. Now, this is ba. And then I put vav here, and it is boo. And if I put ya here, it is bi. Are you with me? Now, there are 3 vowel signs. Dhamma, fatha, and kasra only. And there is a 4th thing we must understand, and it is called sukoon. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? There are many ways of writing sukoon. Sometimes it is like a tiny circle. Sometimes they write like this. But I prefer tiny circle because it's better when you want to understand properly. Okay. Now, sukoon is not a vowel sign. Sukoon is not a vowel sign. What is sukoon then? Sukoon tells me that there is no vowel sign on the Arabic letter. Are you with me, brother? Okay. Where is the vowel sign here? On ba. What is on vav? It's a sukoon. Why? There is no vowel sign. There is no vowel sign. Okay. No, this you never write. You never write, but you understand. If I say ba, where is the vowel sign? Ba. On the ba. What is on alif? There is a sukoon. We don't write it, but there is a sukoon. We don't write it. And what about B? Where is the vowel sign? On the B. What is on the ya? A sukoon, because there is no vowel sign. Now these things are to be remembered. And even if you forget, don't worry, because I will be repeating these things often. You know, some of you will, when we go a little bit deeper in the course, all these things will come to you. Okay? So you don't write it. You don't write it, but it is there. Okay. I give you another example, brother. What is this, brother? Taba. What is it? Taba. Okay. And what is this? Tuba. Are you with me? Now I write down like this. What is this? Tab. There is no vowel sign on ba. Tab. See how you pronounce ba? Tab. Okay. Now if I say like this, what is now, brothers and sisters? Tub. Tub. Here it was tuba, and here it is tub. So there is a sukoon on ba. If I write like this, brother, tubta. Huh? So we did not pronounce ba in its normal way as we pronounce ta and this ta. Tubta. Huh? And if I put dhamma here, tubtu. If I put kasra here, tubti. So ba has a sukoon. It means it has no vowel sign. It has no vowel sign. Huh? Sukoon means there is no vowel sign on the letter. Is it clear, inshallah? Try and remember this, brothers. Okay, now we come to the other part of the handout, brothers and sisters.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا